What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. Today I'm going to discuss about the market and what actually happened during this drop, and why I think this is a very nice opportunity for everyone who missed out on the first rally, and why this could be actually a very good dip to buy. And also one more question that I'm going to answer: is this the start of the bear market? So let's dive straight into the action. First of all, I would like to start with Bitcoin, as I said, and let's actually get started with Bitcoin. Something very important to witness here on Bitcoin is, in my opinion, a trend change that happened on the daily. Okay, so the daily time frame is, this part right here is no longer in an uptrend, and this is something very important to pay attention to. What I would like to see, to gain more confidence is basically we have this region right here as a very key resistance right now. So I hope you can see it. This region right here, very key resistance. What I would like to see, a reclaim of this resistance right here. Okay, I wouldn't really like to see a heavy resistance right here, because this might form a head and shoulders, and you don't really want to see this. Okay, you don't really want to see this. But as I said, I don't think the probabilities of forming a head and shoulders here are not really that high. In my opinion, I think we might range a little bit, break it, get this kind of price action before we actually possibly move back up to all-time highs. These are my thoughts. This is a it's a 50% plus correction, and these type of corrections, I mean, it's a very big discount to actually witness right here. Actually, a very big discount. And for BTC, currently I'm not really interested so much in Bitcoin. Overall, I think Bitcoin will still break previous all-time highs, at $64,000. I think we will eventually get back above this, and basically this is a really nice entry right here. I mean, even if we dip a little bit lower, we have all the time in the world to re-enter or re-accumulate some spot, because this could easily be a 100% ROI swing trade, let's say. So right now what I would like to do is cover some of the coins that you asked me to cover, and I have a lot on the list. Thanks God Dogecoin is not on this list. So first one and the most requested one is XRP, and I have a very detailed plan for this one, so bear with me and give me all of your attention. So what do we have here on XRP? We have a very clear range and very clear levels to trade. This is a very clear resistance right here, which got broken and never was tested on a big time frame. This drop right here was meant to be the retest of this broken high time frame resistance. Pay attention to this daily level, how we got rejected many times of it, and right now we flipped it into a very key support. Now this is actually number one. This is confluence number one. What we got here is actually confluence number one, SR flip. So you wouldn't really want to be selling your XRP right here. So this is the first thing. Okay, we are running into heavy support. I will draw a very nice support right here, and yeah, this is actually very nice reaction right here, and a very nice support coming into play. And the second thing that you should pay attention to is this impulse up. Okay, this impulse up, we are currently peaking at the golden pocket of this impulse, and let me remind you how strong these trades are, especially on XRP. A golden pocket on XRP, or even this 0786, is a very strong region of support. So I will try and give you some I will actually try and give you some some examples of how and why this is actually very important. So right now we have two confluence regions, or actually three confluences. We have the daily level, we have this support turning into resistance, we also have the golden pocket right here, okay, with all of this support below it, and we also got this corrective structure, which is very nice to see, an ABC. Okay, we got an A, B, and the C. This is very nice to witness right here. This is a corrective move, and to see it peak right here is a very good indication. What I think will happen, I think we will see a rise back up, possibly to around here, form some kind of a range below this diagonal, so form some kind of a range below this trend line resistance, and actually break out. At the end of the day, we have to see a breakout higher. This is actually my bias on XRP. I am still bullish on it, and I honestly really like the way this tested the support right here. It's a very nice retest, and yeah, this is actually looking the best right now among every other altcoin. XRP is looking like actually the best one to trade. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum actually testing a very key resistance, turning into support right here, and please take a look how we got rejected and how we bounced off the support. So once again, you wanted cheap Ethereum, this is cheap Ethereum. Litecoin, this is a very nice one right here. Let me show you for a second. So we have Litecoin. Please, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this resistance. Okay, let's go to the weekly. We have a resistance right here which turned into support. Okay, it really turned into support right here, and see how fast it moved down. Obviously this drop below was to get as much liquidations and as much stop losses hit as possible, and now closing the weekly above this support, which gives me a lot of confirmation that this is actually a very good entry, in my opinion, for a long position, or actually a good point to start entering some of some spot longs on Litecoin. This is a very big discount, and from here back to all-time highs, if we break them, that's 200% ROI, so very solid in my opinion. Now with these coins out of the way, I also got a lot of requests to talk about NEO. So NEO, what a trade this has been. NEO. After actually buying it right here at around $17, riding it all the way back up to 130 plus, taking some profits here and here, we did see this one melt really fast. So what I'm looking for right now, I'm actually looking for the following move. So I will plot a Fibonacci from the bottom right here, the bottom of this rise, and I will take it all the way back up to all the way back up to the highs right here. Okay, and let me delete these ones so you don't get you don't really get so what we have here is a very nice example. Once again, very bullish rise, very rapid move down into the golden pocket. Pay attention, into a very strong support for an uptrend. Wouldn't really be a nice place to sell here. I think this is a really good place to actually start buying. Obviously, if we manage to reclaim this golden pocket, then this is an easy 50% to, once again, 150+%. I didn't actually sell all of my holdings. I took profits here and here, and yeah, I'm sitting happily. I'm sitting very comfortably right now, holding the rest of my position. Obviously, my buys were around here, still holding them, looking for higher prices. But yeah, you have to understand this has been a very bad move to see. But right now I think this bearish wave is getting to an end, so hopefully we'll see some rises in the price. And yeah, let's take a look. Link, also very big discount. Once again, take a look. This is the rise right here from the impulse and straight into the 0786, bouncing. So this is, once again, in my opinion, a very good trade. Obviously long, and yeah, we have a lot of coins. SRM, this is a very strong altcoin right here. If you missed out on the rally, I bought it here. Obviously took profits here and a little bit higher. Still have a significant amount running, so yeah, this is actually, in my opinion, a very good entry. Obviously after a 70% decrease in price. Oh god, this is so crazy. Yeah, buying it here, I think you're buying into out of fear. So this is, in my opinion, a good trade. Obviously, everything I say here is not financial advice, so make sure to do your own research. CVP, let's get back to CVP. CVP, we failed to break higher. I'm still holding my CVP. Honestly, this is not really looking like a similar pattern. I don't know what's next for this one. Obviously, what I would like to see, this is the low of the range. Okay, what I would like to see is a reclaim, or at least a push, and a push to around 1.5, and maintain market structure above this 1.5, which might lead us to get back to the range high right here. Anything else, I think, would be faced with more downside. But looking at how the market is looking right now, or comparing the market with this one, I think this will reclaim the low of the range, and give us the push to the high of the range. So yeah, still holding this one actually. And yeah, I also got some requests to look into Rune, Thorchain. Okay, let's take a look at both pairs, BTC and the USDT pair. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is also, once again, another very good looking altcoin. Also, as I said, once again, you're buying it at a very good discount and at a very good region right here, region of support. From the lows to the highs, you're getting this dump into the golden pocket. This is a good region of of buying interest, in my opinion. BTC chart, still in a very strong uptrend. Also, once again, you're buying it after a dump, so you are already, you already avoided a lot of the risk of buying it at the highs. This is actually 50% discount, so think of it like buying a phone. Okay, think of it like buying a car, something that's worth, let's say, $1,000, and you have the chance to buy it for 500, for a couple of days only. I think you will run and actually try your best to to make sure you own that phone, or you own that item that is 50% discounted. And this is what I think about crypto right now. A lot of discounts here and there. I think it's time for shopping for me, and I am shopping, and I'm still buying some of these altcoins. My main my interest goes to XRP as being a very solid one. SRM, okay, so we also have SRM, as I said, really interested into this one, and SXP, I'm also interested in SXP. So these are my 3 altcoins that I am interested in right now. I'm still holding everything that I mentioned in the Discord group. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord group, make sure to check the bio, and check the link in the bio. You will see the link right there. So I think this was it for today. I will do another one tomorrow, and with more updates. Any questions, feel free to ask me. I will do a video and answer all of your questions. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers and have a good day. Bye bye.